You're watching my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev, where in this series I'm using mini braids to grow my natural hair. It's been 7 weeks since I've installed these mini braids on my natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. Let's get into today's video. So 7 weeks in, my mini braids are looking absolutely gorgeous, and I'm loving it by this point because now my hair is looking thicker because it's grown out somewhat, but it's just looking gorgeous. And in today's video, I didn't actually wash my hair this week, and so this flaxseed is acting like my conditioner shampoo. I decided just to saturate my hair with this flaxseed mixture in order to soften my hair. Now there's so much goodness in flaxseed, and I promised that I would do a detailed breakdown of the flaxseed, what's in my flaxseed bottle, or what's in my bottle for you. So I'll talk a little bit about the benefits of using flaxseed on your natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. So flaxseed can be purchased in the UK from most health food store. I got mine from Holland & Barrett's, and it was quite inexpensive. I think it was about £3 for the amount that I've got, and I've had it for at least a year. I've got lots of mixtures of flaxseed from that one packet, and so it's a great deal because you can really use it for many mixtures and not use too much. You can of course freeze it, or you can put it in the fridge to be used again. What's great about flaxseed is that it creates a sort of gel, and for my hair that's quite moisturizing. It's a good moisturizer. It really hydrates my hair. Because it's really hydrating, it's very good for type 4 natural hair or afro hair or hair that looks like mine. And so I use it on my hair to add that extra moisture in. And as I said, this week I didn't feel like my hair needed a proper wash day. I felt like I could get away with this spray mixture as my sort of conditioner, leave-in conditioner type situation. Now, so flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty oils, and that's all fantastic for hair growth, for helping growth on your scalp. And so I wanted to get all of that goodness in on my mini braids. Like a lot of other seeds and nuts, flaxseed also is packed with lots of nutrition and the vitamin E, which is fantastic for your skin and also great for hair growth. Flaxseed, of course, it is a food, and so you can eat flaxseed. You can have it in your cereal, you can roast it, you can try to blend it in with your smoothies and try to get it internally, because that will help the hair growing from your scalp to come out better in the first place instead of treating it topically. So it's a great food to eat in order to grow your natural hair. Flaxseed also helps to reduce breakage and frizz, and so that's another benefit. It's also a great alternative to use instead of harsh gels such as Eco Styler or any other harsh gel. It makes a fantastic gel that you can use in an all natural regimen. Now this gel doesn't have to be for slicking down effect. It can just be used when you need your style to hold a bit longer. Because it's such a natural, easy ingredient to absorb into your hair and skin, you can use it on your newborn, you can use it on your children, and it's perfectly safe. It's perfectly safe for people with skin like mine, eczema prone, really sensitive skin. Flaxseed is perfect for that. So the way I make my flaxseed, and it's not even worth even showing you, it's so easy. I literally boil my kettle and I put about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in a jar, and I leave it to simmer. I put the hot water on and I leave that to simmer. And then I go ahead and put it in this spray bottle that you see, and after I leaving it on for about an hour, 2 hours, it starts to thicken up. That water starts to become a little bit thicker, and that is what I use as my leave-in conditioner stroke in between shampoo anytime my hair needs a little pick me up. And once again, it's so inexpensive. You can make this in batches, or you can just make this as you need it. That is my quick review of flaxseed. Now I'm trying to make some products with flaxseed in there. It's got so much benefits for your hair. Can be used in shampoos, in conditioner, even as a gel all by itself, and as you know, just a mixing agent in other products that you're using on your natural hair. Fantastic for my mini braids. So 7 weeks in, I've had these mini braids in for a whole 7 weeks. How am I feeling? I'm feeling fantastic. As I said, it's like mid-weeks of the challenge, and so I'm just easing into my stride. My hair is looking fantastic. It's thicker, it's fuller. I'm able to easily style it to still go out and about without covering it too much, because it still looks somewhat neat. Because as you know, I've redone the front of it, and it's looking fantastic. I did redo the nape of my hair in my previous video, so check that out on how to take care of your nape. And so I'm really loving week 7 on this challenge. My hair is growing nicely. I've got more than an inch of growth. I'm going to also be measuring for you soon, so look out for that. And yeah, it's just looking really, really nice. If this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you. And this is not my first mini braids challenge by any means. I've got plenty in my playlist section if you are wanting to use mini braids or indeed mini twists to grow your natural hair. Plenty of resources. I've got playlists just on general hair care tips. I've got DIY playlists all sorted in there for you, ready to help you to grow your natural hair. And as you know, this channel is sort of varying into personal growth, and so there'll be lots of information on personal growth. Sometimes I'll be offering those within the videos as well, so look out for lots more coming up on Simply Shev. If you've not yet subscribed, do go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Really means a lot to me. Pushes this video up in the algorithm. Helps many more ladies who's looking for ways to grow their natural hair. I'm sure we all remember the first time we put in that search in YouTube, how to grow your hair. If you really give this video a like, and so this will push this video up and show them that they can use mini braids, something simple, free. You don't really have to spend a lot of money. Easy way of growing your hair. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also leave me a comment. Let me know how you're getting on week 7 into the challenge. I think when I do challenges in the future, I will try to set up either an Instagram page. I have to get to know to use Instagram, or somewhere else where I can actually really interact with you and hear how you're getting on. If you have any questions, pop them down below in the comments. I would really love to hear from you. So once again, as I said, in week 7, I decided not to wash my hair. Instead, the flaxseed mixture was my shampoo and conditioner. And then I went ahead with my normal routine. So I sealed that in, and then I added virgin hair fertilizer to my scalp. Now, I'm going to be doing a whole series of virgin hair fertilizer videos, and those will be my comparison week by week. So if you like my virgin hair fertilizer content, I will be doing a lot of virgin hair fertilizer videos for you, because it's really growing my hair. However, caution here, it's not what is the main reason why my hair is growing. My hair is growing because it is in a long-term protective style where I'm not combing through my strands. I'm also offering a lot of DIY treatments. I'm handling my hair very gently, and I'm really paying attention to actually growing my natural hair, which is why it's really growing and it's thickening. Now, adding in the virgin hair fertilizer does give me that extra boost, and so it's worth talking about something that helps us to grow our natural hair. Once I rub my hair in with my prior hands, as I call them, making sure that all the products that I apply is all the way down. That's my esco, that's my sealant, that's my castor oil. All of that goodness is rubbed into my hair. I'm ready to go for another week. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I talked to you about the benefits of using flaxseed. It is worth mentioning though, like any other product that you're going to be using on your hair or your skin for the first time, do a patch test. There are side effects reported for most things that we use, including flaxseed. If you've got low blood pressure, high blood pressure, if you're going to be taking it internally, probably do some more research on it for your hair. If you're going to be using it as a gel, if you use too much of it, it can make your hair flaky just like a normal gel. And so there are some side effects to this which is not covered in this video. If you're going to be using flaxseed, do your own detailed research. So I talked about the benefits of flaxseed. Now I gave you a disclaimer on some drawbacks of flaxseed, and here is my hair after 7 weeks. Beautiful, long, thick ponytail in mini braids. I'm so excited for all the growth that I'm getting and that you're going to be getting, and you're going to be telling this community about. I'm also excited that we are halfway through this challenge and we're going to get there before we know it. Then I can show you all the growth and really encourage you to keep going on this challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.